Switching phones and want to keep your WhatsApp chats? Here's how it actually works, and the simplest way to keep your old conversations forever regardless of platform. WhatsApp's official migration tools work, sometimes. Move to iOS, move to Android, the QR code transfer. They all need the old phone, a cable or Wi-Fi, both phones charged, and they don't always include everything. If you just want a permanent copy of the chat, readable on any device, anytime, the simplest path is to export it. Open the chat, tap the three dots on Android or the contact name on iPhone, pick Export Chat, include media. WhatsApp gives you a zip. Save it somewhere safe, your laptop, your cloud drive, anywhere. Now your chat is portable. Works on any device that opens a PDF. To make it readable, drop the zip on chattopdf.app. Pick WhatsApp Classic if you want it to look like the real chat, or clean document for legal use. Pay once. No subscription. And here's the result. Your complete chat history as a proper PDF. Every message, every image, every voice note in place. Searchable. Printable. Works on iPhone, Android, desktop, anywhere. Quick note, your file lives on the server for 7 days, then auto-deletes. Nothing is kept. Nothing's used to train any model. That's how to keep your WhatsApp chats when you switch phones. Link in the description. Code VOICE25 for 25% off.